Hi, I'm Jessica Goldenberg, founder of Jessica's Jeweled Art, LLC, where art that blings is my thing. I'm a handcrafted artist based out of Florida, and I specialize in one-of-a-kind diamond artwork canvases, resin jewelry, home decor, and candles. Every single piece that I make is made by hand, so there are no two pieces that are ever exactly alike. Now, one of my most meaningful collections is my African Princess collection, a line that celebrates Black beauty, culture, and identity through art. Because I believe that representation matters and it should sparkle. Now, I've also created fully custom pieces. You send me your picture and I turn it into a beautiful one of a kind diamond art canvas made just for you. And if you love candles and wax melts, I also have the jeweled melted bar, a subscription collection. It has 3 tiers, just starting at $19.99 a month. You can shop everything at jessicasjeweledart.com and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok to see new pieces as they're created. I'm Jessica Goldenberg, and I make art that blings.